Hi, welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus 15, and in this video I want to show you how to enable Camera Pro mode on this device. So let's open camera, and you want to scroll through the options to find master mode. Actually it's called master mode, not pro mode, and please make sure that you here have enabled pro option. So as you can see on your screen, you have 5 control sliders that you can manually adjust. So the first one is responsible for sensor sensitivity to light. The next one here is how long the sensor is exposed to light. This is very important for taking picture of some movements or objects that are moving very fast. The next one is responsible for overall brightness on your photo. Then you have focus option, which could be useful for macro photos and also for night photography. And the last one is white balance, using which you can control the color temperature. So that's basically how you can enable Camera Pro mode on your OnePlus 15 device, and I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.